a cobweb stuck in my wig.
Good morning, sir. Could you please stop your bench for a moment?
I got work to do. Official business. I don't have time for your crap.
Sir, please stop. We need to see your license and registration.
Why? Everybody knows who I am. God, who else around town wears a wig? I told you I don't have time for this. I'm on my way to a video shoot. Official business.
Sir, do you know why we stopped you?
Because you're a jackass. Now get out of my way.
Is this your bench?
No, this is not my bench. This belongs to my friend Captain Cardboard. I'm supposed to pick her up along the way.
Sir, we smelled mangoes coming from your bench while you were coming over the Pewburg city line.
Yeah, so? Having mangoes helps me to drive better. It keeps me relaxed and focused. And this isn't Pewburg. This town is called Bisnico, and I run it. Therefore, I am your boss.
You are not our boss, sir.
Yes, I am. I run this town. This town is called Bisnico, all the way down to the waterfront. You clowns just made up a name for this end of town. A name that does not exist.
You are not our boss, sir. Kanopi is our boss.
Oh, knock it off.
Your boss, Kanopi, named the town, sir.
I'm her boss, I'm your boss, and mangoes are now legal. So back off.
They are not legal while you are driving your bench, sir. That is cruising on fruit, and it is against the law.
So arrest me then. This way I can fire your ass.
We're just going to write you a ticket, sir. We don't intend to arrest you. This is only
so
your
you can
first
just
warning.
give me the lousy ticket so I can just get on my way.
We're going to have to take your mangoes too, sir.
What? No way. Do you know how much I paid for these mangoes?
You broke the law, sir. This is what we are required to do.
Oh, God, you guys are annoying me. You're making me late. I have official business. I'm a very important person.
I never worry about paying the bills. That's why they call me Wiggin and Chill. Cruise through like an
Oh my God, this guy is out of his mind. I think the mangoes are going straight to his wig. Sir, please turn the music down and give us your information and your mangoes.
My name is Wiggin, not sir, and I am your boss.
You are not our boss.
Here's my ID, here's my mangoes. Now enjoy your last day at work because you are all fired.
You are not our boss.
Yes, I am. Now get out of my way.
Hey!